Good day, everyone. I am Engine Cadet Cagaanan, Luinard, and I'm here to discuss about the piston crown. So, what is the piston crown? The piston crown is the top section of the piston that closes off the cylinder and creates the combustion chamber. The function of the piston crown: it compresses the fuel-air mixture before ignition, receives the direct force of combustion gases, transferring it to the piston body and connecting rod. It also helps seal the chamber with piston rings to prevent gas leakage. In marine context, in large 2-stroke and 4-stroke marine diesel engines, the crown is especially critical because these engines operate under harsh conditions, which are high loads, long running hours, and heavy fuel oils. And for its construction and design, the materials used for the piston crown are alloy steels, sometimes with ceramic or chromium coatings for durability. For its cooling, many piston crowns have oil cooling galleries inside to dissipate heat. And for its shape, we have a flat crown, which is simple, used in smaller engines, concave crown, which improves combustion swirl and efficiency, composite crown, which is detachable design for easier replacement. And for its working principle, combustion chamber formation. The piston crown forms the top surface of the combustion chamber, shaping how air and fuel mix during combustion. Compression and ignition. During the compression stroke, the crown pushes air to high pressure and temperature. When fuel is injected, it ignites against the hot crown surface area. Force transmission. The crown receives the explosive force of combustion gases and transfers it through the piston body to the connecting rod and crankshaft, converting chemical energy into mechanical work. Heat management. Exposed to extreme temperatures and pressures, many crowns are designed with oil cooling galleries to dissipate heat and prevent thermal damage. Sealing and protection. Working with piston rings, the crown helps seal the chamber to prevent gas leakage, while resisting corrosion, wear, and fatigue. So, the piston crown is located on board inside the engine cylinder. The piston crown is the topmost part of the piston, sitting inside the cylinder liner. It directly faces the combustion chamber where fuel is injected and burned. Onboard ships, it is found in the marine propulsion engines, either in large 2-stroke or 4-stroke marine diesel engines. It is also present in auxiliary engines, which is used for power generation on board. In large 2-stroke engines, the piston crown is massive, often detachable, which is composite in design for easier replacement during overhauls. For the piston crown maintenance requirements, we all have the inspection, which is very regular since we are in engineering. Check for cracks, wear, corrosion, deposits during overhauls. Cleaning. Remove carbon and fuel residues. Clear cooling oil passages. Lubrication and cooling. Ensure proper oil supply and cooling flow to prevent overheating. Replacement. Use composite crowns for easier change when worn or damaged. Preventive measures. Good fuel quality, proper atomization, and healthy piston rings or liners. So, it is very important to do regular maintenance and inspection since the piston crown is a very crucial component for the main engine and especially for the piston, which is a part of the main engine. And for the safety considerations, we must ensure its structural integrity. Inspect for cracks, thinning, or deformation. Thermal management. Keep cooling oil passages clear, monitoring temperatures. Fuel and lubrication. Use treated fuel and proper lubrication to prevent hot spots and wear. Corrosion protection. Guard against sulfur attack with coatings or low sulfur fuel. Operational monitoring. Track exhaust temps, cylinder pressures for early damage signs. Maintenance safety. Use lifting tools and protective gear when handling heavy crowns. So, we must consider all these safety considerations since the piston crown is very big. Bigger than a human, I think. And of course, since the piston is more than 3 to 5 human beings combined in size, we must always consider it is heavy and it is very dangerous. But not also that, we must also consider that this component is very crucial for the operation of the main engine and for electrical generation. So in conclusion, the piston crown is vital for marine engineering performance or marine engine performance. Proper design, material selection, and maintenance ensure reliability. Future trends, advanced alloys, ceramic coatings, improved cooling systems. So, in future, they are looking to improve the piston crown, which is very good since this is a very crucial component for the piston. I am Engine Cadet Cagaanan. Thank you for listening, and that would be all.